I normally don't store them in the boxes, but for the sake of this video I just got the boxes. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share my Chanel collection with you guys. I have these pieces, you can see I have everything in the boxes. I normally don't store them in the boxes, but for the sake of this video I just got the boxes because it feels nice when you see the items from the boxes. So yeah, I just got the boxes for this video. Yeah, so I have some bags and mostly fashion jewelry. I don't have any fine jewelry or any shoes or any ready to wear. Yeah, so I'm going to just go through the boxes and with no particular order, because I'll just go through the boxes. Which one is on the top, I'm going to show you that first, and the bottom will be at the end. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So here is the first item. I think this is a pair of earrings. And these are the earrings. I have the unboxing video for these earrings, so if you want to see the unboxing video, you can check my unboxing playlist or maybe my Chanel playlist. So these are crystals and pearl earrings with white metal. These I got in 2017 from Kuala Lumpur. We went to India, and while coming back we stayed there for I think 2 or 3 days, and I got these as my souvenir piece from Kuala Lumpur. These are made of blue enamel with ACC in the middle. And these are my third pair of earrings. These I got from Vegas. I think most of the items are from Vegas because we go to Vegas in Christmas and birthdays and every special occasion. These are the one. They have pearl and some colorful crystals in light yellow gold. This is a necklace, you can tell from the box. This I got during Christmas last year. And I have the matching earrings for this necklace as well. Hopefully it will be the next one. So these are the matching earrings for the necklace. Lemon earrings. These are flat on the back, but the necklace is totally round like a lemon, but these are flat, you can see. Next I have another pair of earrings. You guys can tell I love earrings. These are the earrings. It has a star, I think that is mother of pearl, and crystals on the bottom. I hope it's focusing guys, because or else you can't really see anything and there is no meaning of showing you guys these things. Next I have this box, and this is not any jewelry. This is a small leather good, and this is my wallet. This is the one. This is a card holder, but I use this as my wallet. So I am currently using this. You can see I have so many cards inside, and there is a lot of space, you can see in the back. You can at least you can put 10 more cards, but it has to close, right? I don't know if it will close if you put that many cards, but you can see the sides and back and bottom. Currently I'm using this, but for the sake of this video I put this inside this box. Yeah, so that is my one and only card holder. And then I have this box. This is a necklace, and I have an unboxing video for this as well, what I got for Christmas, so you guys can see that video if you want to see the unboxing. And look at the packaging guys. You can't really get from any other fashion house this kind of packaging. I have items from every brand. No one does this level of packaging for that fashion jewelry. So here is the necklace. It has crystals, it has chain, and it has leather. Next I have a bag. This is a small leather good. This is not a bag, this is a small leather good. So here is the box. And this is a, I don't even know, I think this is a card holder with strap. I'm not sure, but this is very tiny. You can see the card holder. It's the same size, but you can see the depth. It's wider than the card holder, and you can see the color difference as well. This is pale pink, or I would say baby pink, and this is kind of fuchsia pink. Yeah, this is brighter than this one. This is kind of dull pink. So this has a strap with this charm, I would say, and leather woven in between the chain. I think it's brushed gold. It's not shiny. And the chain is not adjustable, but you can wear this crossbody, and on this side, right here on the, what is it called, shoulder. And here is the inside. You can't remove the chain. You can fit a lipstick, small size. I think regular size lipstick you can fit inside. You can fit some cards, gum maybe. You can't really fit your phone. It's very tiny. So this is a bag when you don't want to carry anything, just a lipstick and a packet of gum and some cards. Yeah, that's it. And I'm going to, I think I have some pictures with all the items I showed you guys. So I'll insert those pictures in between the clips so you guys can see how they look on the body. Yeah, so, and this is shiny leather, by the way. It has no grain like the what is it called, the grain leather, caviar, right? But this is shiny. Next I have this box. This is a bag. And this is my most expensive bag because I got this in 2023. This is the most expensive one. I have a small rectangular mini which I got in 2018, I think, and that is less expensive than this one because I got that in 2018. Okay, so this is not a bag. This is a phone holder with chain. This is not a regular bag. This is a small leather good. Again, the hardware is brushed gold, and this is adjustable. Here is the inside. There is a zipper pocket and there is a slip pocket right there. So you can fit your phone inside because this is a phone holder with strap or with chain. So you can definitely put your phone inside. I have an unboxing video for this one as well. 3 different color of pink. This is the last necklace I have. This is the classic pearl and crystal necklace with white metal. I have the try on video for this necklace in that what I got for Christmas video. So if you want to see this necklace, how it looks on the neck, you can go and check that video. I tried this on with the matching earrings I got for this necklace. So you guys can go and check that video if you are curious to see how it looks on the neck. last but not the least, the bag I'm going to show you guys today comes in this box. So here is my last bag, which is my rectangular mini in caviar leather and gold hardware. This bag I got in 2018, and I got this bag for my birthday in 2018. That time this bag was 3500, but now I don't know, I think it's 5000 or something like that. Here is the inside. There is a slip pocket, and there is a zipper pocket in the back. It has leather interior, and here is the back with Mona Lisa smile pocket. Yeah, so this concludes my Chanel collection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.